Okay, let's take a start. It's speaking part one. When was the last time you went to a place where people go to dance in your country?
Well, I have never been go through such places where people go to go for dance, um, because personally I don't like to dance, and other thing is mm,
Yeah,
in my town
we
there
don't
is no
have such
such
places. Yeah, we
places
don't
where
have such places.
such
So
places
to
where
answer your question, I don't
mm,
remember anything like that.
like
Now let's
yes, sir.
go on. Why do some people dance on happy occasions?
People mostly dance on happy occasion because to express their feelings as they are enjoy the occasion. So that's why people mostly dance on their occasion.
Right? Do you like dancing?
Personally, I don't like dancing.
Why not? I don't
It's
feel
a
comfortable when I
comfortable.
dance or if I think about dancing. You just give the reasons for that.
Okay,
If they ask you
okay,
the question, you need to give the reasons, right?
okay.
All right, let's go on. Do you like to wear hats? Cap or
Mostly,
hats? Yeah.
mostly, I like to wear hats. Um, when I go outside in the sun, I mostly use hats. So I
Okay.
like to
What
wear
kind
hats.
of caps do you have?
Um, I usually have hats like cowboy hat, baseball hat, and other is some winter hats like woolen
Okay, so you
hats.
can say, first of all, I have a cowboy hat and I
Okay,
use it during summer months.
ठीक
On
है.
the other hand, I have some winter
Winter
hats as
hats,
well to cover my head and ears, and I mostly use them during the winter season.
winter season.
And
Okay,
finally, I have some, so elaborate everything.
okay,
If you say I have cowboy hats, winter hat, summer hat, prayer hat, this hat, that, without explanation, it's not good.
okay.
Okay? All right. Is wearing cap or hat popular in your country?
Um, it is popular in such a younger generation where a young boy wear it as a sign of fashion. So it is quite popular in
You're
young people.
lacking ideas mainly, so you should come
Okay.
up with more ideas. And even if you don't, for example, the topic is dance, if they ask you that, still you need to answer the question and don't say anything that shows your stiffness towards any idea or something like that. Okay, it's good for you. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.